Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Carrie, and today is wash day. Now in my last video, I mentioned that I had upgraded my products and routine, so I thought it'd be cool to show y'all what's up. So get comfy, stay tuned, and let's get to washing. I have what's called low porosity hair, which means it doesn't easily absorb water or products. So my hair tends to look really dry a lot of the time, and as you can see, it's looking thirsty AF today. But one of the best tools that definitely helps is warm water. Water is low porosity hair's best friend because it helps to open up the cuticles so it can absorb the products and stay moisturized. The next thing I do is section my hair. It's a lot easier to detangle and manage, and I'm able to make sure my scalp gets nice and clean. When you have thick hair like mine, things tend to get stuck in it, so that can be a big pain in the butt.
He's alright.
To cleanse, I use the Aunt Jackie's Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser. Did y'all see the way that plopped out of there? I like to finger comb when applying products so that I don't put too much tension and cause breakage. I cleanse and rinse one section at a time to make sure all the product is thoroughly removed so I don't have any surprises when I'm trying to style later. Next, I like to deep condition using the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask from Camille Rose. This stuff here is gold, and it better be for the price. But in all seriousness, it makes my hair softer than it's been in years, and it smells like mint chocolate pudding, and I've been very tempted to have a taste.
Don't ever eat that.
These products have a ton of what they call slip, which is how well the product lubricates the hair, so I can detangle it without really even trying. This is definitely a must for most people with curly hair, since the curls like to wrap around themselves and cause knots. Just gonna wrap my head in this big ass shower cap, then I put my microwavable bonnet on top to put some heat on the subject. This will help the deep conditioner really penetrate into the hair. I'm gonna let that marinate for about 30 minutes and finish my bath real quick.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, time to rinse it out. I am not looking forward to this part. I always rinse it out with cold water to help seal in everything, but I can't stand when that water touches my skin. Now I resection the hair so I can apply the leave-in conditioner. I've been using the Mael Pomegranate and Honey leave-in. To be honest, I'm not too crazy about the smell, but I love the softness and moisture it gives, so I'll live. The reason I apply it in the tub is because the humidity in the air keeps my hair damp. Remember that most curly products work best when applied on wet or damp hair. Throw another shower cap on to keep the moisture in, so when I start styling, it doesn't completely dry out. Now we're moving on to the styling. As you can see when I take my hair down, my curls are nice and defined thanks to the products I used. I've been keeping hair in protective styles, usually 2-strand twist, so I start off by sectioning and make sure it's nice and straight. I like to do the LCO method, which stands for liquid, cream, and oil. The first styling product I'm using is Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance Defining Curl Whip. And I tell y'all this stuff is the truth, it is the motherfucking truth. Compared to the stuff I used to use, this is moisturizing, feels good, smells good, all the things. Next I apply Jamaican Mango and Lime's Jamaican Black Castor with argan oil. This helps seal in the moisture from the water, leave-in, and curl whip, and it's nice and thick. I usually keep my twists in for a week, so I need something that will last a while. I'm just sectioning out the different pieces of hair. I don't want the twists to be too big or they'll unravel. And then I split this piece in half and just twist one over the other, trying to make it tight, but not to the point where it's hurting my scalp. To secure the ends, I make sure they're saturated with product and then twist it around my finger like this, and it makes a cute little corkscrew. Since this can take a while, I'm going to finish up off camera, then show y'all the final look. So sit tight and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, here's the finished look. It took me a little over an hour to twist up and now I'm tired, but my hair is so shiny and juicy, so it's worth it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.